Okay, another word which a very common word is dragonfly. Dragonfly. Dragon is a compound word. It can exist alone. It is a root word. It can exist alone. Fly again is a root word. It can also exist alone. And you know, when these two root words are combined, they give you an altogether new word. This is one condition. They give you an altogether new word. And second condition is that they also give you a new meaning. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this was a rule about close compound words. Yeah. If on the other hand two words are not stuck together, yet the combination is quite obvious. If the words are, the root words are not combined together, why are they not combined together? Because the combination is quite obvious. Then you get an open compound word. For example, high school. This is how you write high school. This is how you write senior secondary. They are compound words, but they are open compound words because the combination is obvious. Right? And any other word can you think of? Autumn break, for example, summer break, or say winter break. These are all open compound words. So we have understood close compound. I repeat, have you understood or not? If the two words are not stuck together, these two words are not stuck together, yet the combination is quite obvious. So we can call it open compound. And these are the examples. Now the third. Third type of compound words are called as hyphenated compound words. Hyphenated compound words are not that difficult. Yes, they have a hyphen in between. If the two words combine an adjective, remember, an adjective and a noun, they would form a hyphenated compound. For example, one-eyed man. One-eyed. Now, one-eyed is an adjective, and man is noun. So, when you combine, but this is not always so. Okay. Now, see, this is also like if you have number words here, then also like 10 rupee note, for example. So, if you have number words, then you have a hyphen. One-eyed man. So, this is adjective and this is noun. Okay, or 10 rupee note, as I said. Okay. So there are three types of compound words: closed compound words, open compound words, and hyphenated compound words. Now let us have more and more examples of them. Now let us begin with closed. Closed compound words. And keep writing them fast. For example, classmate. Classmate, schoolmate, classroom, roommate, for example, homework or classwork. I am speaking, I am not writing all the words, so you must know that they are all closed compound words. Necklace. These are two words, they are combined together, they are stuck together, and they are giving us, see, neck necklace, necklace. Yeah. And say eyebrow, eyebrow, eyelash,
Eyeshadow.
eyeshadow, eyeshadow. Yeah, okay, eyeshadow, good. Eyeshadow, you know, can be written as a closed compound word, and it can also be written as an open compound word. You must have seen like this also. This is okay. This is true. This is okay. Both ways. This is all right. Even if you write like this is also okay, because both are acceptable. But this is not so with every word. This is an exception. Same as easygoing or say light here. We have had examples. Schoolwork, homework, schoolwork, or say driveway. You can also like come with examples like password you have,
Birthday.
password, username and all. Yes, and even username you write like this. Computer board I'm just reminded of, for example, keyboard. I'm sorry I couldn't hear. You said something? Yes?
Birthday.
Birthday. Yes, good. Birthday. Birthday. Very nice. And
Worldwide.
worldwide. Very good. Worldwide web. You write worldwide. Very nice. Worldwide. Or say basketball, volleyball, football. All these games. Volleyball, football. Remember. You know, suppose if you know volleyball, so you would know that other words would also be written like this, like football, baseball, handball, softball. So they can all be written as closed compound words. Yeah.